3, 2, 1, go.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is SUKNA ANATI BINTI SUHAIMI and my metric number is A22HP0237.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is NISA TASNIM RUSCIDI and my metric number is A22HP0163. Today our group will discuss about the phenomena of roller coaster, which is involved in potential and kinetic energy. What is potential energy? Potential energy is the stored energy in any object or system by virtue of its position or arrangements of parts. However, it isn't affected by the environments outside of the object or system, such as air or height.
What is kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is the energy of an object has because of its motion.
The example of phenomenon is roller coaster. As example of potential energy is a roller coaster which transforms into kinetic energy. The roller coaster starts from rest in the top has the most potential energy. When the roller coaster is released and begins to be put down by gravity, its stored energy is transformed into kinetic energy. As the roller coaster goes down the hills, its kinetic energy increases, while the potential energy decreases.
To sum up the figure, many rides use the transfer of potential energy to kinetic energy to move along the track. As the motor pulls the cars to the top, lots of potential energy is built up. This is released when the roller coaster reaches the top. The amount of kinetic energy in the object depends on its speed and mass. When the roller coaster moves downwards, kinetic energy is generated.
Formula for potential energy. Potential energy is equal to mgh, which is m is the mass measured in kilograms, g is the acceleration due to gravity, h is the height in meter.
Formula of kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is equal to half mv square, which is m is the mass measured in kilograms and v is the velocity of meter per second. As a conclusion, we need to know that the potential energy for the entire ride is usually introduced in a large initial climb that is converted to kinetic energy.
The velocity of the descent as well as by the inverted loops, barrel rolls, and bank turns that create positive gravitational forces that press down upon the rider in the seats. This is called negative gravitational forces create the rider's sense of weightlessness when lifted from the seat over the peaks of hills. On most roller coasters, riders remain seated beneath a safety bar, but variations include riders standing on the platform or hanging from a shoulder harness.